What's the meaning of cold spell? Cold spell. Cold spell.
Cold spell. Cold spell. A cold spell refers to a period of time when the temperature drops significantly below the seasonal average in a particular region. It can be caused by various factors such as polar air masses, wind patterns, and high-pressure systems. The result of a cold spell is that people may experience colder temperatures than they are used to, which can cause discomfort, health risks, and sometimes even fatalities. Additionally, cold spells can cause disruptions to transportation, communication, and energy supply systems, and can have negative impacts on agriculture, wildlife, and the environment.